GoldPlus is a ready-to-use, roller-applied latex waterproofing and anti-fracture membrane for use underneath thin-set ceramic tile installations on interior or exterior floors and walls. Use GoldPlus in commercial or residential applications. Apply over concrete, cement block walls, cement backer board, exterior grade plywood, mortar beds, and poured gypsum-based underlayments. Used to prevent tile cracking caused by the shrinkage of new concrete slabs and to prevent cracks up to 1/8 inch from transferring through tile or stone. Use GoldPlus to waterproof showers, lavatories, fountains, restaurants, and other locations. GoldPlus contains Bostik's blockade antimicrobial protection, which helps protect against the growth of bacteria, mold, and mildew, and is stain resistant. GoldPlus requires 1 hour dry time before installing tile or applying the second coat. Higher humidity environments will extend the dry time. The color will change from pale yellow to gold upon full cure. Be sure to read the technical and safety data sheets before use. These are easily found on our website at bostik.com/US. Visit the website to download the datasheet for GoldPlus, latex waterproofing, and anti-fracture membrane.